You have already recorded overdue work. Normally, students bring the overdue work the next day. This is how you mark the work as done. Go to Return. Here you can see the complete list of all tasks that students have not handed in on time. Also, you can see work that other teachers have recorded and you may request from the student. Sort the list according to your needs. Sometimes you want to request the same work from everyone at the same time. Then click on the title, Open Tasks. Or you just want to call all work from the same student? Then arrange the list by name. What a student returns can be checked off. Click on the checkmark and the entry removes from the list and from the student's dashboard. Sometimes you need a printed list to mark off. For example, if you are not at the computer when you receive the work. Print or save a PDF with all entries. You can change your class here. When calling for open work, the show area for the front screen can also be helpful. See also the tutorial for this in the next movie.